Okay, now we are going to see how to use hole command. So first need to create this thing. Now suppose I'm going to draw a rectangular extruded surface on the top plane. So select top. Now sketch, normal, create a profile. Suppose I'm going to use a center rectangle. Select the center. Now extend your mouse. Press the middle button. Change the dimension to 40. Going to be 480. Now just press OK. Now extrude this thing. Going to select mid plane and thickness will be around 100. So above the plane it is 50 and below the plane it is 50. In total it is 100. Now I want to create a hole on the top surface. That hole should pass through the whole extruded surface. So for that thing what we can do is you can directly select a hole. Select hole. You need to provide a place. Suppose directly I'm selecting the surface. Now this is going to be here, but suppose if you want this hole or center of this hole, you want to locate this hole at a distance of 50 mm from the left side, this edge, and from this edge you want it to be at a distance of 50 mm. So for that thing just click here. Now provide two reference from which you want to place this hole. Suppose first one is this one first. Now second one will be this one. Simply do this thing. Suppose this is the first one. Now press Ctrl and select this one. Now these are the 2 points from which you want to define the hole. So this center is at a distance of 153 from this edge. I'm going to make it 50. Now again from this edge, the center of this hole is at a distance of 153. So I'm again going to make it 50. And now you can also you can change the dimension of this hole. The diameter of this hole is 66. Just double click, you can make it 50. And now you can change the direction also, flip side, but above this surface there is nothing, no solid body, so just make it in the downward direction. Now just press OK. So this is the hole. Now if you want to use pattern command, you want to create multiple hole at some distance from each other, to the right of this, you can just do one thing. Just select this hole first. Now go to the pattern, and here from the dimension area just select the direction in which you want the pattern. I want the pattern or multiple holes in this horizontal direction, so I'm going to select the edge in the horizontal direction. So I'm going to select this edge, this one. So direction is in this way. It could be this way, this side, or to the opposite side. Now here it refers to how many holes you want to create. Initially it is 2, so there are 2. I want to make it, for example, I want to create 5 holes. Just press 5. So it is taking it in the left side. I want to create these holes in the right side. So just flip the direction from this button. Just click this. It will change the direction of these holes. Now the holes are in the right direction. Now you want to change the distance between 2 holes. You can change this thing from here or directly from here. So the diameter was 50 mm, so I'm going to make it 100. The distance between 2 centers is going to be 100, or you can just make it a little less, 90. So these point denotes the center of the hole. So the distance between the center of 2 holes is 90 right now. And So this is going to be in this direction. We are going to create 5 holes on the right side. So just press OK. So these are the 5 holes in which center of these holes are at a distance of uh, a distance of 90 mm is present in between the center of these two holes. So this is how we can create multiple holes using pattern command. Right now it is in the horizontal direction or to the right side. If you want to create these copies in the vertical direction as well, you can just go to this pattern command again, change, just click this to edit the definition. First this pattern one, now right click it, now click this one, edit. Now here, from here, this will create the holes in horizontal direction. If you want to again create this in the vertical direction, you can do just one thing, click here to add item, and now select the direction. This is going to be direction because I want hole in vertical direction. Now it made, it has created copies of these holes in the vertical direction. So you can just vary the distance by just clicking here. Again I'm going to make it 90, and I can just flip this direction. Now if you want to create more than 2 copies, first one is this one, second one is this one. If you want to create more, you can just increase the number 3. So instead of, okay, it is 3, I'm going to reduce this dimension by, so this is going to be the distance between two centers will be in the vertical direction will be 70, and on this side this will be 90. So just now click just OK. So in this way, from a single hole you can create multiple holes or array of holes in a longitudinal or vertical or transverse direction. Thank you.